These are top 5 real hacks on how to make art in 2021. Number 1. You've already started. The process is continuous. Observe. Explore. Your eyes must be used to see. You have to look first. Look as much as you can and more. Digest. Digest. This is the information. It must be gathered, kept, and studied. Take it in. Take it all in. You will begin to see. Number 2. Make mistakes. Destroy. The creation of one thing is the destruction of another. Utopia does not exist, though we may imagine a better world and act to move towards it. Same applies to what we make. An error can be corrected and learned from, only if recognized and understood. In doing so, an improvement is made. Better is possible. There is no perfect. There is no perfect. There is no. Number 3. Reflect. Remember. Hold history, knowledge, and skill in your hand. Learn from mistakes and successes of those before you. In gaining knowledge, we take on the responsibility to keep it safe and use it ethically. Number 4. Repair. Creation brings order. When chaos reigns, get a broom. You have to make it well before you make it better. Castles on sand, things like that. We do not get a clean canvas in this world. We step into an epic, collaborative work in progress. Before planting a seed, it is necessary to pull the weeds and mend the soil. I have to heal myself first. Number 5. Bring joy. Make the world a better place. On a few rare occasions in my life, I saw art. Real art. It affected me like a light. I was engulfed by it. It got in me. I carry it in my stomach. Sometimes it comes out, the mouth and the fingertips. This is something I hold wherever I go as I take on more light. To bring it back. To channel that light back into the world. one corner at a time. This is it. This is everything.
Can I see?
I'd also like to make a shout out to Matthew. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.